This way. Come on, you goof.
We're at Klein Falls, just outside of Sisters, Oregon. And Frankie's been swimming. Let's see. We just stopped here on our way to Portland. And we've been all over the place since the last video. I think I left off at the Black Hills in South Dakota. And we went to Jackson Hole, which was amazing. I got to visit with my cousin and a good friend that I grew up with back in the day. So that was really great. We spent a couple days there checking out the Tetons that are just majestic. I used to live this way in the early 90s, and I cooked at an Italian restaurant when I was first starting out and did a little bit of skiing. Back in those days, my younger days. We're on our way to see a couple more friends in Portland and the Gorge, because this was the last place I lived before I lived in London for 8 years. I parted ways with my buddy Kellen. He owns a car shop down in Fort Lauderdale, so it was really good to initially start up with him and just doing the caravan, and then we went to some amazing places. We were off the Wind River Reservation where we camped out there, and just this solitude of the desert but right on a lake. It was beautiful. I haven't had a chance to video that many recipes, so I'm going to get back onto that now that I'm on my own again. But I'm just reflecting of how much we need that human connection, how much we need to stay connected. And screw this digital stuff, the fleeting Instagrams and TikToks. It's just too much for me. I'm just too old. I'm ready to just drop all that stuff. Right now I currently use it just to post brief updates, but I'm not like invested in it. It's the YouTube, the longer form, the more caring, the more kind, the more stories, not just blips in a pan. Quality over quantity. Still a theme, and I'm just reifying that more and more. It's been so good to be on the road and just in the van. You start getting addicted to sleeping in the van. It's like the perfect nap retreat cave. I can sit in there, I can cook in there. It's my little cubby hole. It's my little man cave. It's my retreat cave. It's Frankie's. It's been lovely. Everywhere we go, we find these cool little swimming holes. And she's been loving it. Come on, Franks, let's go. We gotta go to the next stop. Good girl. Trying to see as much as we can. I know this isn't the usual. This is where I get inspiration. Walking through a grocery store, out in nature is one of my biggest. It's just to take a break and a rest from anything I'm doing, from the world, to recharge, recalibrate, and reflect on everything that values everything. It's just great. Come on, Franks. And what has been inspiring me these days is mountains and rivers and fresh air. No fucking politics. Sick of politics. And it's too much, at least it seems like to me, or I'm paying more attention or I'm not paying attention, whatever it is. But I don't lean on any one particular side. I just lean on the side of whoever's kindness, compassion. Why the heck are we fighting other people? That kind of stuff. You know, unless it's absolutely necessary. Defending. It's just a bunch of BS to me. Let's just cook good food, hang out with friends, and help each other. Lead the way, Franks. Lead the way. I can hear him. I am going to say, though, these videos, they're more for me. It's just to have some accounts of Frankie. She's not going to be here forever. That makes me sad, but she is trying to show her a good life. Greatest. And I'll be able to see these at some point. Someday. After. Wait. Wait. Yeah, beautiful. Falls, Klein Falls, Oregon. Oregon's such a beautiful state. Every state has their own beauty, and this is one of my favorite states to be in. Okay, Franks, let's go to the next place. Good girl, come on, let's go get a treat. Chill out here for a little bit. Maybe I'll sit or do a little bit of reading. I've been coming up with so many different recipes that I want to make and share and show. And I will as soon as the time is right and we find the right spot. I don't feel like I have anything super important to say. Anytime, really. I just hope you're doing well. I'm super grateful for all the kind comments, views, everything. Anybody who just watches this, I'm like super humbled because I want to spend my time with my dog and I want to cook. And I feel like it's time to share some knowledge with the recipes and a little bit of this travel stuff. It's a beautiful country and there's beautiful people. And it's good to get out there and meet and stay connected. Analog over digital, or connection, human over any digital. We're in that time where we have to start deciding where we spend our time. And I'm going to spend my time hands-on, cooking for myself, being nice as much as I can, being kind, and visiting with friends and family. If you find this boring, good for you, because that's what I'm going for. Less talk, more chill. In the silence is where I find my inspiration. In the quiet, in the slow. Not in the fast and furious and having to be distracted all the time. It's like in that concentration and that focus. That's where real shit happens. Real inspiration. Good thoughts. Calm. Deep breaths. It's so easy to get caught up and swept away in all the busyness. I'm sorry it took so long for me, so many years, to realize that. This way, sweet cheeks. This way, Franks. Get up there. Come. Come here. Give me a kiss. Hey. Hey. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, get up there. Go. Go. Get up there.